I don't like Kanye West. I have several issues with Victoria Beckham.
What about David Beckham?
It's just that his voice grates on me.
Have you got a problem with Bill Murray?
He's a bit weird.
Oh no, what telly have you been watching recently?
There is this really lovely programme that started again on BBC One. It calls The A Word.
What's that?
Where it tells the story of this boy that has autism and the challenges that he goes through.
Oh,
I've never heard of that.
Yeah.
how's the baking going?
It's going good. I did make some chocolate and rose cupcakes.
They sound amazing. What, rose? Like the flower?
No, rose essence, because that's the closest you can get to vanilla. Because basically, none of the shops have vanilla essence, so
Oh, no way. You're having to make do.
yeah,
What were they like?
delicious.
Have you got any left?
Oh God.
That's a good sign that they were good then, I think.
Oh no, did the creative pack?
It did arrive.
Amazing.
Yeah.
I swear it's in a different package every time.
I know. You guys are funny, yeah? Funny. The first picture is called Look In, and you have to draw a picture of yourself inside your home.
Nice.
That's cool.
Yeah.
That's a cool idea.
And then you have to draw a picture of something outside of your window. Yeah. And there's some smiley faces for you to colour in, and as well as that, there is some iffy pictures for you to colour in as well.
Wow.
Oh, it's parts.
Yeah, and there is as well there is another daily newspaper page, as well as another weekly planner.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's really cool. You get a lot. A lot to
Lovely.
keep you busy.
If you want to share your artwork with us, you can email us.
What's wrong with Bill Murray?